Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Jaja. In the last video, we introduced the concept mean, or average, for a set of data. We talked about two ways to help us solve a mean problem. The first way is the even out method, which gives us a visual representation of what mean means. The second way is the standard method, or the math definition of mean. The math definition is what we can always rely on to help us solve a mean problem. But the even out method helps us visualize and conceptualize a problem. Last time, you learned how to solve the mean when given all the values in his data set. But there are many other average questions that are challenging to solve, so I'm going to show you some examples. Aiden had 4 math tests this semester, and his scores were 88, 92, 87, and 91. How high does Aiden need to score on his 5th test if he wants his average test score to be 90? Let's use 4 blue bars to represent his first 4 math tests. How many points does Aiden need on his 5th test if he wants his average to be 90? For his average to be 90, his 5 test scores have to be evened out to 90 each. So let's draw a line at 90. Now I can see that Aiden is short of 2 points on his first test. He has an extra 2 points on his second test. He is short of 3 points on his third test and has an extra point on his 4th test. After we move his extra points to where he needs points, we can see that Aiden still needs 2 more points. So that means that Aiden needs 2 more points than 90 for his 5th test if he wants his average to be 90. We can also solve this question using the formula. So, average equals the total of all the values divided by the number of values. That means that the total of all the values equals to the average times the number of values. The average is 90, and the number of values is 5, because there are 5 test scores. So 90 times 5 is 450. So Aiden needs to score 450 points on all his 5 test scores. So if we add up all his test scores that he has right now, it would be 88 plus 92 plus 87 plus 91, which equals to 358. And he needs 450, so we subtract 358 from 450, which equals to 92. So Aiden needs to score 92 on his 5th test. Let's look at another problem. Riley bought a few white t-shirts and a few blue t-shirts. The white t-shirts cost $6 each, and the blue t-shirts cost $8. So what is the average price per shirt Riley paid? The average between 6 and 8 is 7, so is the average price per shirt $7? Well, if Riley bought 1 white t-shirt and 1 blue t-shirt, yes, the average will be $7. And if Riley bought 2 white t-shirts and 2 blue t-shirts, the average will also be $7. But what if Riley bought 8 white t-shirts and 2 blue t-shirts? Will the average still be $7? No, it won't be, because there are a lot more white t-shirts than blue t-shirts. So the average would be a lot closer to $6 than $8, because there are a lot more shirts that are $6. We can see that the average is somewhere between $6 and $7. But this still doesn't give us an exact answer, so let's use the formula. So the total amount of money Riley spent would be $6 for 8 shirts and $8 for 2 shirts, and that adds up to $64. And the total number of shirts Riley paid for would be 8 plus 2, which is 10 shirts. So the average price per shirt Riley paid would be $6.40. As you can see, we can always rely on the math definition to find the average, but the even out method helps us visualize the concept. It helps us understand what the math definition means. In the next video, we will try to look at some more examples. Thanks for watching.